How do manual transmissions work? Well, let's start with your engine. Your engine's job is to spin a flywheel, and this flywheel is connected to the rest of your transmission, separated by a clutch. And your transmission transfers energy from your engine to the rest of your drivetrain, making your wheels turn. Now, our engines can only turn this flywheel so fast. So in order to allow us to continue to speed up in our cars, we take advantage of gear mechanical advantages. So that's the reason why at 30 miles an hour in second gear, you may be at 3,000 RPM, but in third gear, you may be only at 2,000 RPM. So in an automatic transmission, your engine and transmission does all of this speed matching and RPM matching automatically. Hence the name automatic. But in a manual car, it's your job as a driver to make sure your engine speed is the same as the rest of your car, essentially. This technique is known as rev matching, and people have been doing it for decades. Now, what happens when you step on your clutch? When you step on your clutch, you are pushing a pressure plate inside of your transmission that separates your engine's flywheel from the rest of your transmission. When you move your shifter to select a gear, you're actually sliding a collar that locks whatever gear you want into place and connects it to the rest of your drivetrain. And that way that gear is now mated with the rest of your drivetrain. When you let out the clutch, the flywheel and the rest of your transmission link back up, and everything moves as one. And that's sort of a very simplified overview of how a manual transmission works. If you guys want a more detailed explanation of it, I highly recommend you guys go see Engineering Explained video on it. He does a fantastic job going into great detail. Next time, we're going to go over DCTs, or otherwise known as dual clutch transmissions.